Hey friends, who's hungry? You won't be able to resist popping 2 or 12 of these spicy pimento cheese stuffed potato bites. Brush the outside of about 20 small red potatoes with olive oil. You might find these in the store called Petite red potatoes or baby potatoes. Then season the potatoes with salt and pepper. Roast the potatoes at 425 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until they are tender. Give the potatoes about 15 to 20 minutes to cool enough that you can handle them. Then carefully cut each potato in half. Reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees. Using a teaspoon, gently scoop out the inside of each half. You want to leave about 1/4 inch of potato around the edge so the potato keeps its shape. You can save the inside of the potatoes for another use, but we won't be using them again here. Spoon 1 teaspoon of pimento cheese into each potato half. I'm using my chipotle pepper pimento cheese for this, and I've linked the video to that recipe in the comments. After you've filled all the potatoes, top each one with a sprinkling of shredded cheddar cheese. Put the potatoes back in the oven and bake for an additional 5 to 10 minutes until the cheese is melted. Top the potatoes with sliced green onions before serving. Looking for more recipes? Be sure to follow me.